Back with Burks, fam.
Yeah.
Gang shit. Come on. Yo, let me get the GoPro at the 2 minutes. Oh shit! Shit! Hey! Burks, bruv. You're putting my car. I don't want to jump in my car after this. You know that, Burks, fam. Making a 10-minute thing, a 5-minute thing. Hold on, guys. Banging the lights, fam. Mad. Mad. Hey, Burks, I missed this whip, fam. Solid, innit? Rascal! Safe. Mad. Mad. Alright guys, literally there's a fucking sauna, bruv, and I'm doing a permit fucking stand here. Never meant to park here. But I'm waiting for my guy Burks to come through. Where should I put this water? Because it's rumbling everywhere, bro. Fucking annoying. I'll put it here. Because, bro, it's got falling everywhere, bro. You know what I mean? It's just annoying, bro. Every time I accelerate, and that's just a constant thing. But yeah, bro. Out here, waiting for Burks. It's just so hot, bruv. Like literally my phone, yeah, heated up so much, bruv. Like it literally didn't work for a bit, bruv. Luckily it got me here, otherwise I would have been pissed. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bruv, waiting for Burks. Just wait for him and see where he's at, bruv. So yeah, catch you lot in a bit. Alright, we stopped off at KFC. Man's having a fattest munch, fam. Yeah, fam. The reason why he ain't got his car here because the clutch gave in it. So he's getting the clutch repaired, bruv. But normally you won't see him in a passenger seat, fam. He lost the drive, bruv. Come on. Come on. Yeah, bro, that's what it is. But yeah, so it's 5 o'clock now. We're gonna link with them at what, 6:30. We're gonna be there 6:37. We're gonna link the others, and yeah, from there, bro, I can't even use the toilets. Toilets ain't running, so I'm not meant to wash my hands and stay hygienic, bro. I don't understand. But anywho, yeah, bro. So we'll see you lot there, innit? Bro, let's move. Yeah, I need to, bro, but I can't. So many whips, bro. That is so peng, fam. Bro, that is so peng. Never seen a peng whip like that, fam. That is so damn. What's he gonna do? A burnout. Knows how to drive, innit, bro? 30 driver. Excuse me? 30 driver, fam. 30 driver, fam. Bro, I don't even want to step in my whip, fam. You know, after seeing that, I don't want to step in my whip, fam. Mad. Where's Burks? I need to drop him.
Why, is he going home?
Yeah, I need to drop him off here. But where is he? Do you know where he's gone? Man was doing burnouts in that tight gap. He's there. Well, bro, this guy's a city driver, you know. You think?
I thought someone's gonna get written off.
Yeah. Whoever owns these cars, just shut up. Yeah, 100%.
Bro, that's a mad whip, though. How much is that whip? That 100k?
You going back to work?
Oh, yeah.
Drag it off.
Cool. Yeah, no problem. Bruv, look at the fucking, bruv, it's mad.
How much is this?
100k. Jeez. That's a nice whip. Oh, allow these pops and bangs, man. What? Loud.
We have nightmares for that.
It's a shutdown. Shut down. And this is just the fucking. This ain't even nothing, fam. Yes, fam, we found the GTR. Liberty, I think it's Liberty. I don't even know, bro. Fucking bus, bro. Mad.
Look at all the cars getting pulled over.
LOL. Hey, moms. Where? Oh, swear down. They were getting pulled. But how can they manage so many cars? Fuck. I hate feds, man. Always trying to lock off every motive, man. DKs, bro. Yo.